So today we're doing kind of panini and minus a contact grill. We're just going to do it in the oven using ciabatta bread. I need a knife. Okay. Calabrese pesto and some kind of Hungarian paprika cream. It's a little bit hot, so we're not going to use too much, but good stuff. So. Over the ciabatta bread, and then we have this I prepared before just to make life easier. This is roasted zucchini and eggplant, which we're going to mix with mozzarella cheese and tomatoes. Okay, I think it's almost enough. Okay, but I use all anyway. Maybe it's too much. I don't care. Okay. Et voila. Bon appétit.